Are you ready to sing with the angels? Today we are going to learn the Missa de Angelis Gloria. So this particular Gloria setting is in Latin, and it is the Latin Gloria that you will hear most frequently sung in any Vatican masses that you watch with the Pope. Now, this Latin version is not the same melody that we learned in the English version. The Missa de Angelis is Mass setting number 8, and the English version of the Mass chant that we learned is actually Mass 15. My name is Dr. Carly York, if we haven't met, and I am the Catholic Cantor. And so the first thing that we're going to do is talk through the lyrics or the text of the Gloria in Latin. I'm going to say a Latin phrase, and I'll give you an opportunity to repeat it back. Let's put it all together. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Your turn. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Next phrase. Et in terra pax hominibus. Your turn. Et in terra pax hominibus. Bone voluntatis. Bone voluntatis. Laudamus te. Laudamus te. Benedicimus te. Benedicimus te. Adoramus te, adoramus te, glorificamus te, glorificamus te. Gratias agimus tibi, gratias agimus tibi. Propter maniam gloriam tuam. That's a little bit of a longer phrase. Let's try that together. Propter maniam gloriam tuam. Domine Deus Rex Celestis. Domine Deus Rex Celestis. Deus Pater Omnipotens. Your turn. Deus Pater Omnipotens. Domine Filii Unigenite Jesu Christe. Now we can break that down into smaller chunks. Domine Filii, Domine Filii, Unigenite, unigenite, Jesu Christe, Jesu Christe. Domine Deus, Domine Deus, Agnus Dei, Agnus Dei. Filius Patris, Filius Patris. Qui tollis peccata mundi. That's a phrase that we kind of need to keep together, so let's try that again. Qui tollis peccata mundi, miserere nobis, miserere nobis. Qui tollis peccata mundi, qui tollis peccata mundi. Suscipe deprecationem nostram. That one's a little bit of a tongue twister. Let's try that again. Suscipe deprecationem nostram. Qui sedes ad dexteram patris. That's another longer phrase that kind of needs to stay together. Let's try that together. Qui sedes ad dexteram patris. Quoniam tu solus sanctus. It's another phrase that needs to kind of stay together. Let's say it slowly. Quoniam tu solus sanctus. Tu solus dominus. Tu solus dominus. Tu solus altissimus, tu solus altissimus, Jesu Christe, cum sancto spiritu, cum sancto spiritu, in gloria Dei Patris, in gloria Dei Patris. Amen. Once you conquer the Latin language, it's easier to sing the notation along with it. So let's work on our Latin diction and then we'll move to the melody. Gloria in excelsis Deo, et in terra pax hominibus, bone voluntatis, laudamus te, benedicimus te, adoramus te, glorificamus te, gratias agimus tibi, propter maniam gloriam tuam, Domine Deus, Rex Celestis, Deus Pater Omnipotens, Domine Filii Unigenite Iesu Christe, Domine Deus, Agnus Dei, Filius Patris, qui tollis peccata mundi, miserere nobis, qui tollis peccata mundi, suscipe deprecationem nostram, qui sedes ad dexteram Patris, miserere nobis, quoniam tu solus sanctus, tu solus Dominus, tu solus Altissimus, Iesu Christe, cum Sancto Spiritu, in gloria Dei Patris. Amen. Excellent job with the Latin language. Now it's time to put the language with the musical notation. If you are liking this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified whenever I teach new lessons. Thank you so much for joining me. So in the downloadable PDF of the music that I will share with you in the links in the show notes, you'll see that I have color-coded certain sections of the music. And the reason is those melodic ideas are similar. 4 melodic ideas that get repeated more commonly in this song than the other ones. And these melodic ideas are combined in the phrases that are not highlighted so that we can grasp onto melodic ideas that we recognize, and it makes singing this particular song a lot easier. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the yellow color-coded phrases. Take a listen to this melodic line. So we sing that with the words, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Now that melodic idea with that rhythmic pattern comes through the song a few more times. So we're going to jump to the words a few lines down, Propter maniam gloriam tuam. Propter maniam gloriam tuam. Take a listen to the Gloria in excelsis, followed immediately by the Propter maniam, and you'll notice how exactly similar they are. The only difference is the words. Gloria in excelsis Deo, Propter maniam gloriam tuam. That idea happens one more time towards the end of the song, Qui sedes ad dexteram Patris. Qui sedes ad dexteram Patris. So that melodic idea happens verbatim 3 times, with the only difference being the words. Now you'll notice those aren't the only yellow-coded phrases. There are a few more. The reason why we didn't start with those is because there's slight variations in the rhythm. Certain words are not held as long as in our leading example of this melodic idea. Et in terra pax omnibus. The next yellow phrase that we're going to look at in line 4 has us pause on the word Deus before continuing on with the phrase. Domine Deus Rex Celestis. Similarly, if we jump down towards the end of the song with the words Miserere nobis, we actually have to add one little extra slurred note before we get to our final phrase. Miserere nobis. Next, we're going to move on to the blue phrases. These phrases are unique in that they start on our home tone and they walk us up to our reciting tone. Our initial phrase starts us on the reciting tone and walks us down to the home tone. The first occurrence of this phrase starts on line 2, Bone voluntatis. Bone voluntatis. Try that with me. Bone voluntatis. Now that rhythm is almost identical, and the second time we see the blue phrase, it just doesn't have that high note held for quite as long. Take a listen. Glorificamus te. Try it with me. Glorificamus te. One more time, we hear the blue phrase repeated, and it's the same as the first time. It has that high note held out a little bit longer. Miserere nobis. Your turn at home. Miserere nobis. Are you ready to move to the next phrase? We are going to continue on with the phrases highlighted in pink. So these phrases start on the very highest pitch of the song. So it is our home tone, but an octave higher. So this is the biggest and boldest phrases in the song. So let's take a listen. Laudamus Dei. Now that exact rhythm happens again all the way down towards the bottom with the text Quoniam tu solus sanctus. Quoniam tu solus sanctus. Now, if we go back to the top of our phrase that immediately follows the Laudamus Te, we're going to see that there's an addition of one extra note in the melody before we end the phrase. Take a listen. Benedicimus te. On the mus, we go up one pitch before we end the phrase. That idea in the pink phrase comes down towards the middle of the song, exactly with the Domine Deus Agnus Dei. Take a listen. Domine Deus Agnus Dei. Okay, we are ready to move on to our last melodic idea. This one is coated in purple. The reason is because blue and red together make purple, and our pink color is kind of red, is as close to the highlighter could get. And the reason why we're mixing the blue and the red to make the purple is because the purple melodic lines kind of combines those two ideas. Take a look at the PDF. It starts on our lowest pitch of the song, and it walks us up to the highest pitch of the song, all in one melodic idea. So let's take a listen musically to our first purple phrase, which comes about at the middle of the song. Deus pater omnipotens. That's a lot of notes. So we're going to slow it down. You'll notice that certain syllables have more notes connected to them. Deus pater omnipotens. Great job. Let's go ahead and move towards the middle of the next line. It's almost the same idea. Take a listen. Qui tollis peccata mundi. Try it with me, a little slower for you at home. Qui tollis peccata mundi. Great job. That's a lot of notes to learn. Skipping down to the word de precationem nostrum towards the end of the song, you'll notice that I only highlighted the phrase or the syllable precationem because that's where the pattern starts. And hopefully it'll make it easier for you to sing at home. Precationem nostrum. Sing along with me. Precationem nostrum. All right, we're almost there. The last purple phrase down on the last line of the song. In Gloria Dei Patris. Your turn. In Gloria Dei Patris. Great job. You have now learned the majority of the song, and you can see on your PDF that there are 4 melodic ideas that you can latch onto and hold in your memory as you go forward and sing the song. Are you ready to sing the full Gloria from the Missa de Angelis? Here we go. Gloria in excelsis Deo, et in terra pax hominibus, bone voluntatis, adoramus te, benedicibus te, adoramus te, glorificamus te, gratias magibus tibi, propter magnam gloriam tuam, Domine Deus Rex celestis, Deus Pater omnipotens, Domine Filii unigenite, Iesu Christe, Dominus Deus anus Dei, Filius Patris, qui tollis peccata mundi, miserere nobis, qui tollis peccata mundi, suscipet deprecationem nostram, qui sedes ad exteram Patris, miserere nobis, gloriam tu solus sanctus, tu solus Dominus, tu solus Sanctissimus, Iesu Christe, cum Sancto Spiritu, in gloria Dei Patris. Amen. Thank you so much for joining me, Dr. Carly York, the Catholic Cantor. Thank you so much for learning how to sing the Gloria from the Missa de Angelis in Latin. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video so that I can continue to make more videos teaching you how to sing the liturgical music.